Hey, Dave. What?
Virgin. I hate virgin.
And I'm sitting there, and we're just texting, right? And she just out of nowhere, put it on speaker, and she just sends me her titties out of nowhere. I'm like, whoa, okay, now I'm horny. I know, it's crazy. What the hell was that? Hold on, I'll call you back. What's going on? Who the hell are you? Stop laughing like that. What the? Hey! Oh, motherfucker. Idiot knocked himself out. Hey. Hey, buddy. Stop spawning. Shit. Hopefully this isn't anybody's, like, pet bird or something. Hey, what's going on? Where am I? You see, I was kidnapped from my local home, and they were doing butt stuff on me and weird experiments, and I don't know. I'm going crazy. Hey, calm down. What's going on? Oh, okay. Butt stuff, what the hell? Well, I mean, you're really annoying. Like, your laugh is so fucking annoying, but I guess I'll keep you here for the time being. You can go hang out with my other friends. I got the story to go tell. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ow. Shut up. I'm going away. That just went on my ass. I'm going to my car. I just need to get away from it all and just stay away from my house. Been kind of crazy lately. No. What was that? Don't tell me he's back. Hello? Back home, everybody. Why are you here? I don't get it. Wait. Get out the way. There he is. Huh? Get down, get down! Ow, let go of me. Where's the bird? He's got a big ass. I don't care how big his asshole is. Where's the bird? Oh, he's good. He's down there. It's the zombies. What are you doing here? You know we're in a war right now. Well, it seems like you have one of our specimens. No, you can't let me go. These are the people that did the weird bus stuff. Oh, it was the zombies? Yeah, see, we need them. We need this bird for, as a distraction. You see, the plants, they love nature. So I was thinking, we get this rare bird. And we found this rare bird. It's going crazy. The plants will love it, and we'll kill them all. So, it's pretty good, right? You can take them. But I thought you were friends. No, you can fucking take them. I don't care. I've had the worst day. Yesterday was really good. You guys want to know what happened? And the camera was out of focus. You guys want to sit around and let me tell you what happened? They were that big. Oh my god, that's incredible. I know, they're pretty massive. So, I think I'm pretty lucky. Yeah, well, we'll be on our way now. Good luck in the war. Oh yeah, thanks. You too. Why am I congratulating you? What the fuck? It's been a long day. I just want to go all the way to my bed. Just gonna lay here. Man, I love being tiny. It's just so awesome. What was that? Holy Jesus, motherfucking shit.